Okay, today on my True Cut P-20, we're going to be replacing the wheel drive chain. Okay, first you have to take the chain cover off. And now we're going to be replacing that wheel drive chain right there. Okay, we had to spin the tire around some until we can find the master link, which is right there. And we're going to have to take that off. Okay, like I said, we're going to take the master link off of the wheel drive chain. You take your hammer and your screwdriver, put it up there, start tapping. Then you got to pull the link out. There's the link, it's out. And the chain's off. Okay, now we get the chain off the wheel drive. And we have to count it to make sure that we cut the new one exactly the same, because this one's stretched. Okay, like I said, we're going to count this to make sure we get it exactly right when we cut the new one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 16, 17, 31 links, well 32 at the end. Also, just for your information, this is a number 41 chain, 10 feet long, which I got off Amazon also, heavy duty chain. And there's our new chain opened up, a number 41 chain. It looks real nice, and it's greased, and it has the link that we needed. So now we're going to measure and cut it. Okay, now I'm taking out the new chain. I'm going to count it again just to make sure. I don't want to cut a chain and waste any links. Okay, I counted the links like 5 times. It's 32 links in the outside rivet. I have to cut it. So I'm going to get ready and cut it now. Okay, now we're going to cut the chain. Take your adjustable wrench. Start cranking it down, make sure it stays on the rivet. Keep torquing it down till you get the rivet busted. Just keep torquing down. There. I was having trouble getting that chain on for the wheel drive, and as you know, I counted it perfectly, and it was 1 link short. Well, I found out that the old chain has another special link on there. It's got a pin and a cotter pin and a special link. Well, that'll make it perfect size, so we're going to put that on now. Okay, I finally got that link extension back on the chain. Now you take the link and just snap it back in there, and you take this piece, put that back on there. It went on pretty easy. And you take the snap ring, put that back on there. Okay, we got the chain link and the snap ring back on. Now we're going to have to adjust the chain roller, take out the slack. Here's the chain adjustment roller for the drive chain. Remember, the chain goes on top of that, not under it. Okay, now you gotta tighten that roller. Roller down in there. You can see it down there. You gotta tighten it. where the chain has a 1/2 inch slack. Okay, I got the slack taken out with the adjustment roller, and it's supposed to be like a 1/2 inch slack in there in the new chain. I think this. Okay, all the new chains are on. They're all lubricated because they're brand new, but I'm gonna go ahead and squirt them with this heavy duty garage door lubricant, which is really good stuff just in case. I don't want to take the risk of them not being lubed again. Okay, new chains are put on. It's all lubricated. Now we're going to put the cover back on for the chains. Raise the handles up some. We can get it in there. Slide it over the chains. The handle up there, we're going to get this cover on. Cover goes right there, like that. Then I'll go just put 2 bolts here and 1 in the back.